Hello guys, this is MK. I am here to present paper analysis and paper solving of Wbsetcl. This is the second shift paper of 14322, and the question will be I'm only solving technical part. Okay guys. First question will be, how many thyristors are there in the three-phase full wave controller? 6. 6 is the right answer. Which of the following is not true for the cell type transformer? The coils used are of cylindrical type. Option C is right. Which stepper motor has the characteristic of excellent angular resolution and low torque? Yeah, VR stepper motor. That means variable reluctance stepper motor. Option C is right. Which layer of HV cable is intended to protect the cable of moisture, gases, or other damaging liquids in the soil and atmosphere? It is sheath. Sheath is metallic. Sheath is the right answer. Option A. Okay, question number 5. Which of the following statement is true for the synchronous motor? Option D is right. Required DC excitation of the rotor is required. True. Okay. And then question 6. Question will be, what is the term used for the maximum displacement of the oscillating particle, its mean position in simple harmonic motion? Its amplitude. Harmonic will be came under the amplitude. Okay. Another one is question number 7 is numerical. It's easy to solve. I think it's repeat first shift. It's C. Option C is right. Is for turns transformer, its formula will be E2 is equal to 4.4 into F into 5 into N2. That it's a formula to be solve that question. Is another one is power system question. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? Natural gas is the conventional source of energy. Okay, question number 9. Which of the following is not desirable for the ideal op amp? It's always zeroly rate. It's a characteristic not desirable for the ideal op amp. Which of the following is the appropriate use of repulsion motor as a drive? Coil winding machine. Okay. A stepper motor has a step angle that is determine the resolution. It's formula based question. Put the formula and put the answer. This is a symbol based question of electronics. Identify the diode in the above figure. It's a tunnel diode. Not Zener, not Schottky, not Varactor. It's a tunnel diode. Option B is right. And question number 13 will be, how much voltage is applied to the insulator during the puncture voltage test of insulator? Option voltage of 1.3 times the flashover voltage. It's a most important question. Question number 14. It's formula based question of electronics. What is the relation between alpha and beta for common emitter transistor? Yeah, alpha is equal to beta plus 1, and then to find the beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus 1. Okay, that. Question number 15. Which of the following statement is not true for pertaining the pointer in C programming? Option B is right. Pointer variable cannot be assigned to be null zero value. Okay. Question number 16. It's microprocessor question. Which of the following signal in 8085 microprocessor describes that is maskable interrupt and has the highest priority? Option D is right. Trap. We have to read on microprocessor 8085. Then you have to know the answer. That is another one. Question number 17. Where should the ELCB be located to protect the whole installation? Near the main board. Yeah, it's an easy one. And question number 18 are also easy. What are the 4 terminals in a 4-point DC motor starter? We have to know practical thing about DC motor starter. We have to know about such thing, terminals, how to denote A option D is right. A, F, L plus and N minus. And question number 19. What should be the cross section of the Earth continuity conductor? Yeah, this is a practical based question. You have to know should not be either less than 2.9 mm square or half the installation conductor size. Okay. And then question number 20. Which of the following is true for shaded pole induction motor? Shaded pole type is used in very low splitting torque and is very high economical. That's why we use them in shaded pole induction motor. Which logic instruction is used by the 8085 microprocessor to return the calling program ret? Option D is right. How is the electric field represented in electrostatic? By electric flux line. Okay. Question number 23. Which of the following is not true for the cylindrical rotor when compared to the saline pole rotor? Air gap is non-uniform. Okay. Or not true. And then question number 24. The air blast circuit breaker can be employed in high voltage circuit in the outdoor switch yard for 220 volt kV line we have to use. Okay. That. Yeah, it's next or question another. Two capacitors having electrical capacitance 6 microfarad and 10 microfarad respectively are connected in series across 320 voltage supply. Find the charges on each 10 microfarad capacitor. Then we have to know how to solve the capacitor formula using in. Then we have to solve series. That means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 connected 320 voltage supply is easy. Okay. Find the charge means coulomb. Okay. Unit is coulomb charge. Then we have to know. 26. What is the other term used for the head of production department of an organization? Work manager. It's a basic management question. 27 question. Consider the measurement of known voltage of 250 volt. 5 readings are taken: 255, 260, 252, 253 and 254. That find the accuracy of the measurement. That's a measurement question. The turn-off process of SCR is known as commutation. You have to know. What are the two types of turbines mainly used as water turbines in hydroelectric power plant? Impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Okay, question number 33. What should be the insulation resistance of the LV side of the 1600 kVA 20 kV upon 400 volt 3-phase transformer at 30 degrees Celsius? Here we have find of insulation resistance. Okay, option D is 29.7 mega ohm. 30 question more. Creeping. It means which of the following cannot be cause for the creeping error in the induction single phase energy meter? Creeping we have to find pole to the T spell. That means it cannot be caused. Only cause extremely low voltage across the potential cannot be caused by creeping error. Okay. In other in remain we have to use. Okay. Can be used on the creeping error in induction terminal, a single phase energy meter. And question number 32. What is the value of the gate leakage current in JFET? JFET, it means junction field effect transfer, order of 10 to the power minus 9 ampere. Question number 33. What is the unit of measurement used to measure the air gap between the rotor and stator of the starter motor? Mil we have to use in measurement of measure air gap between the rotor and the stator. So good one question. It's numerical. See. Okay. What should be the given? Frequency, voltage, 6 pole start connector, 20% flow. Find the slip. Okay. It's a simple formula. Yeah, S is equal to, first we have to solve NS. Yeah, rotor speed is given. NS is equal to 116 RPM, 116 RPM, and 116 RPM, and then we have to find NS synchronous speed. Synchronous speed is to 120 f upon p. 120 f frequency is given, pole is given, then we have to form ns. We have to get ns, and then formula of the slip is equal to ns minus nr upon ns, that we have to get the value of 0.07. Is a bipolar link. Identify the DC link. HVDC, we have to know, we have to see this figure, we have to clearly see it's a bipolar link. Why the bipolar link? It have two by means, okay, by link. Okay, how is amplification factor mu for JFET is expressed? Mu is equal to Gm into RD. Yeah. Okay, so question number 37. Yeah, question number 37. Recording of 100 lakhs of the factory ball of radial length to the precision factor, utilization factor. Here's a one question. Okay, option B is right. According to which theory, any given activity generated network is unlikely to be computed on this time PART. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is not true for slip ring induction motor when compared to squirrel cage induction motor? Speed control by rotor resistance method is not possible. Okay. At which interval? Question number 40. At what interval the ground connection of the medium insulation transformer check and the earth resistance recorded 6 months? We have to interval is the ground connection for the medium insulation transformer to be checked. How is question number 41? How is the community benefited from all the business operating in the area? Yeah, C is right, by having economic and social stability. It's another one business question, management question. And what interval should be the due point of SF6 checked for the circuit SF6 circuit group of 3 years? Yeah, we have to much practical knowledge about SF6, what interval to be maintenance, what interval should be changed, due point. Then we know this answer. Okay, question number 43. Which of the following is used as the string type formatted input function in C programming? Scan F. Yeah. Question number 44. A copper coil has resistance of 20 ohm at 0 degrees Celsius. Find the resistance of the coil at 25 degrees Celsius. The ramp coefficient of copper is 0.02 at 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah. First option is right, 22.1 ohm. You have to know about only type formula based question. Question number 45. Arrange the translucent material according to the transmission factor in descending order. Clear glass, frosted glass, graded perspex and opal perspex according to the descending order for the materials of the transmission factor. Question number 46. Which of the following is true for the gravity control as controlling force for measuring instrument? It can be vertically mounted instrument for the gravity control, okay, for measuring instrument. 47. Which of the following statement is not true for the Carnot side engine? The cylindrical has perfectly heat conducting walls. It's not true. Okay. Which of the following is statement is not true for the skin effect in the transmission AC transmission line? The skin effect is less in the solid conductor than the standard conductor. You have to know this thing. Option D is right. 49. Which type of the grounding system has a neutral point of a three-phase system directly connected to earth through a wire of negligible resistance and reactance? Solid grounding. Easy one. 50. What is the symbol? Represent a ladder logic diagram for PLC, that is output energizes. Okay. What should be the following is only not for HVDC transmission? HVDC transmission is affected by the dielectric losses, is not affected by the dielectric losses. Okay. 52. A coil having resistance 4 ohm and inductance of 4 milliamp is connected in series with a 10 microwatt. We got the Q factor. Q factor is equal to dependent on, we have to know resistance is connected in series with the resistance and inductance is series with the connected in series with the capacitor. We have to easy omega. We have to know omega L by R Then it's a quality factor, we have to find this. So 5 is right answer. Yeah. What is an active network? Yeah, transistor. Which of the following is an active network? Transistor. Passive factor is resistance, inductance, capacitance, all have passive network. Which of the following cannot be used as a fuel in nuclear power plant? Here I-236. Yeah, it's a tough one. Yeah, the alternating AC circuit question. The alternating current passing through the circuit given by I value is given 144, 141.4 sin 314.2t. Calculate the RMS value of the current. Yeah, 100 ampere is right one. Purposes coil having resistance 20. Yeah, we can do same question. Value is different. Yeah, answer is 10. What is the peak load power demand? Peak load power demand is always a gas plant. You have to know. Okay, 58. Which of the following is transistor that convert the speed of rotation directly into the electric signal? Tachometer. Tachometer is convert the speed of rotation into a directly electric signal. Okay. If 49. If one of the glass sheet used to sandwich a thin layer of the liquid crystal is deposited with transparent electrodes and the other with a reflective coating with the on their inside it faces on the liquid crystal, then it is known as reflective type cell. Yeah, option is right. How is the making capacity and breaking capacity of the packet wafer known? Making capacity is equal to 1.8 into root 2 the symmetrical capacity. That means 1.8 into root 2, that means 2.54 times the symmetrical breaking capacity. You have to know. Okay, thank you guys. Paper was moderate level, not so easy, not so very hard. It's a moderate level. Okay guys, thank you.